Hi, in this video we'll learn how to propagate rosemary by cuttings. First we prepare the compost. We make a mix with generic potting compost and sharp sand. The sand has the function of helping drainage and preventing the cuttings from rotting. It is very important that the mix for cuttings drains really well. We mix everything and fill the small pots. Now we're going to harvest our cuttings. We cut small terminal branches that do not have flowers. We put them in a wet bag and take them to plant. Cut the branches to size and with fingers remove 2/3 of the leaves and bury them. Repeat for all our cuttings. It's very easy. In this case, we put 6 to 8 cuttings in each pot. We give them a good soak and look how the water drains and does not accumulate in the pot. This is very important. We put the cutting tray in a relatively sheltered place outside, next to a wall or next to other pots. They will develop roots and grow next spring. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to dearplants.com channel. Thank you. Bye.